Kira, go on. Long time I don't see you.
Cause you know, so me went from what if you ask me say why real cause make you lose your eyesight.
You know say, I'm better I'm go catching a room with my woman. And from there so me just blind.
No that gone. And I say now all up the time do cause I walk with the road from my son for you from mother.
Alright, do it man, here cause
Yeah.
see how it is.
Mommy, we can go find her with something and come back, please. Please.
Like what?
Just something simple.
Something simple. Like what?
Alright, now go finish up homework with one of my friends.
Male or female?
Female, of course, mommy.
Okay, I can trust you, Jada. How far are you going?
Not far, just about 5 minutes walk.
1 minute walk. Here's a phone.
Thank you.
Call me. You have
Yes.
money?
Yes, mommy.
You sure?
Yes, mommy.
You sure?
Yes, mommy.
By the way, which one is that? Which one is that?
Akila,
Akila,
my best friend.
your best friend. So you're going by your house or are you going to the library?
We're going to the library. Like, I want to meet her at her house first, and then we're going to go to the library.
So you look so nervous.
How nervous?
I don't know.
Mommy, I'm not nervous.
You sure?
Yes, mommy.
Alright, I trust you. Now be safe. Or come back.
Yes, mommy.
And you say you have money.
Yes, mommy.
Alright, or come back up the road. I'm gonna say just 12. Hurry up and come back up the road. And close back the garage you're leaving.
Yes, mommy.
Close it.
Yes, hello. Special good afternoon to you, sir, and how are you doing? You are speaking with Mr. Robert Taylor from the Publishers Clearinghouse. Are you familiar with the Publishers Clearinghouse? Yes, your number are random selected today out of our power raffle bag of $2.5 million alongside with GMC Denali. Okay? Okay. Okay. Boy. Boy.
I'm blind. I'm blind.
Boy. Boy. Boy, I'm calling boy. That matter there na yun. Here, matter na.
I'm blind.
Murder
I'm
yun.
blind.
Here.
Oh
Boy,
God.
mommy.
Jesus.
Boy,
Jesus. Jesus.
boy, you know me. I call look for a man, boy. Eh? I don't want to look for me na yun.
I'm blind.
Here, matter na bluff the people na
I'm
yun.
blind.
Here. Eh? Boy. You see next time, boy, look for me. You're dead, you know. Here, matter na.
Alright, sorry boss, I'm blind.
Boy, you know what you play with.
Boss, sorry, you know you me, so I'm
I'm run
blind.
it a year, yeah. I'm responsible for the street, boy. I tell you that. How you go? Hmm?
You know, I'm going to the
How
boss.
you go? Hmm?
I'm blind.
How you go? Hmm? Boy, dude. I broke man, yo. See next time you look for me, I'm dead in the youth. Don't want you to laugh with me, no dog. Hear me I tell you. First I come look for me. I don't want you to look for me, youth. That me I tell you. You go if anybody want to come look for you, you can come on bad man, hey boy. So I'm going out with me bust one in your foot in the youth. Yo, I one thing. The boy next time you learn. Don't look for me when you see me here. Chill. Learn now.
What is your name?
Jada, what is it?
My name is Xavier. Nice to meet you. Jada. How old
Okay.
are you?
16.
Well, I'm 17.
Okay then.
Just I come from the road and I see you look nice. And I say I talk to you. Thanks for running for it.
Just a couple minutes walk. Right on yourself.
So, how you had on the road by yourself?
Then I go visit one of my friends. Yeah, go to the library go finish up some homework and things, you know?
So, can be friends.
Okay, but only friends.
No, I said, can you tell me?
Sure.
What is it?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Jada, you say your name?
Yeah.
Alright. So, call her later. Yeah?
Text only. Kind of call.
So, can I ask you to do it? Later.
Bye.
I call you. I don't want to talk over the phone. You know, so the police watch your brother, right?
Yeah, me hear about it.
So, the two want to come out of one belly, right? Somebody after the devil tell them something wrong. Him look at youth in his face so because he said youth have look upon him. And the youth, not to look upon him, the youth blind, when he look. The youth can't even see. If people them vex over the idea like you can't see, but you just think say you look upon him, look down your youth.
I say, think what I do still if somebody look for me something. But sit down, of course.
Alright. You see, I can tell you something, you know. There was plenty people come up and say them bad. And you see the wise one them who do badness, but them do it reasonable, intelligent, them survive. You see one them who do it uncalled for. You see when the people them turn against you? When Jamaica people turn against you as a bad man, you get knocked, you know. So you don't think people them too bad. You may want yourself, man. Find some love for the people them. You can't keep them people because they look for you.
But I don't know if you tell her that him and I keep doing this one.
No, but I cannot talk to him because I'm looking at you and I look three things. I made it bad one time. So him walking on my footsteps, me name a call on the place. Me survive it, but I never do them foolish there. Nowadays bad people and like first time, but listen up. We want the best for Jamaica. You see, if we could control the crime, the amount of money would have come. You know, return resident have millions of dollars come back here and now come back because of look killing. You see, if we make them people that come back here, the amount of money we have to spend, politicians can't talk away. Money out there, real money that you have to make. But if we as a people don't understand where we are, how we going to get better? You can't kill off each other to make better. Because watch out. In my days, I seen enough of my people. Kill off people. What have it bring us to now? Separation and poverty. Right? So, what me I say to him now, head at, and what you got and what you have not and this and that. Listen up. Take some of them look energy there. Plant 2 corn or do something, man. You see, have a look of gun, you put it down to defend yourself. If a warrior, I'm a Gideon, come you have it to defend yourself. But go on and trouble people, we have to go bury him. Right? We're going to get a family reunion soon. Because we don't have a family reunion to somebody dead. And that family reunion is going to be the worst one because you go come at the funeral of somebody who said we're bad. And the bad man now come to shoot him up and shoot you up. So you know have to be careful, you know, because you go in a line of fire, you know. Because you and him come out of one belly on a twin. One black, one brown. But still on a team. Because I know me have my sister say, yo, oh, you get two different man. And then come in a one belly, one. Yo, I'm not getting involved in it. Because you favor, and in favor, hey. So like it time, I'm not go into that. But when I say, you are the good side, don't matter what the bad side over for you. Talk to him.
If I'm here, if you talk to him, I'm not going to work.
Alright, you are bury him then.
Bury who?
Remember saying no? Mr. Law will kick off the door and come phone you know. And they will shoot you.
But I know me and him.
Alright. But me I say, you know I say, Ira,
Yeah.
please talk to him because we don't want an early family reunion. Because all the time we see family reunion when somebody dead. So we don't want it early. Alright?
So we can make somebody else talk to him. I mean,
I go call somebody from England and somebody
Makes
from Canada.
sense.
Because family all over the place and make somebody talk to him. But just in case you want some certain thing. Alright? I'm there go all the time. Very good though.
yeah, man,
Me have money now.
alright.
They got money.
Sure. You see me coming too long, honey, I beg. Ah, you think you money because you can't come over here. You have to go walk in the hot sun, not even look at drinks.
Alright, go on.
Later.
Let us know for your food.
Don't time down there.
Like you follow your mama's footsteps. Oh, that God, your family them.
What go on? What you say to me? Alright, go on. Alright. Yo, come here.
What me do?
Yo, me say don't look girl enough.
Me not dead now, I
Yo,
look
let me tell you this. I don't want you don't look girl enough.
But me
You
not.
hear me I tell you, y'all are real shots. Yeah man.
But what wrong if me wear
You
shirt?
know woman.
What wrong if me
Yo,
wear
this is
shirt?
for no one. You have to start your skirt. You hear me I tell you, me don't want you do no rifle walk. I don't want you do no stir fry. Cause me broke your foot them.
So what wrong if me do right for
You hear me I tell you? Matter of fact, this is for no one. I don't want you already make shots, they don't look good.
Yeah, look here, for shirt.
You hear me I tell you, you don't want to come do me here.
But,
Don't stop playing, you hear me I tell you?
yo,
You say come on, come do me here. I want it for you and man or
you
what?
see me a wear now?
You and man or me at home?
You see me a
Girl, yo, pull up on
So you hire put me up, pull on, not me now. Me this man. I'm turn
You can
around.
do the attitude, I want that big style of me want live girl. In my house. I'm here appearing for. Eh? I can do this style of them there. Eh? A man where them sitting here. And a woman.
Me can't bother with you in a youth. What to you? Everything you make nice
Dirty
out.
lesbian style if you cut out the man.
You see me a live in a lesbian style,
Eh?
youth.
When me just a kiss, I start a kiss her too. What kind of dirty style that? Yo.
Me look at the end of the day,
Yo.
see me a kiss nobody.
Yo, pull up here. And I'm
Me can't bother.
Oi, on the road you walk on, take time pull up me here.
Youth. Agreed, me man. People out there say enjoy themselves good, you come out there trouble people. Boy, you hear say this and here, say people fit up, call people and tell people business.
I don't know what kind of dirty style you live. And if you cut out them style,
You see me a live no dirty
and
style.
then you start wear skirt and blouse. Them a shorts don't fit you.
What are clothes? Everybody wear clothes. You have to
A
specify.
boy pin you want like,
You have to specify.
a girl pin you look like.
No, let me pull out the head. You don't want the, everything you have a problem with.
So you have a problem with everything nowadays. You know what? You know. Murder you. Let me hear what the news again. I hear me. Kill you. I hear that up. What the ball is. Get up. Say get up. Maybe this is a pop. Maybe should have pop. Don't play with me now. Come play a game around here. Yo. Back on something I can ask over there. Pull me here. I'm gonna want ton. Eh?
Brother.
Yo, I don't want you to come around and talk about no brother, you know.
Hello, what's up? Me ask.
Where you ask it?
I don't me I beg you.
Where you ask it? Talk now. Talk your mind. Cause women are there, you know, I am there, cook up, you know. You hear me I tell you now?
Hello, what me I say is, I want me to hear about you say about how you back some boy and kick down boy down your road.
Me?
Yes, you.
When that?
What mean when that? They say the man blind. They say one man a look fine, so you're boxing down and kicking down. Just because man a look fine, you kick them down.
I don't like people look for me, you know.
Well, anyways, I kind of agree with us. I don't like that people look
I don't like people to look for me because look for me, look feel like I feel offended. Like do something wrong.
How do you look fine by the way? How do you look fine? Depends on the way you look fine. More often, how do you look fine?
See, man. Papa, it's too, don't like it.
I don't run you. I would have stepped in your conscience. I don't run you. Good thing you do, your brother. Me a fuck around or so.
Yeah, man, do you have to do, man?
You enjoy yourself.
Nice man, it is. Pull up here, hurry up and pull up here, no. I'm want you nice man, you like that. I'm drop this in the head. That's nice, that is. Happy nice. If I catch you in my clothes, I'm going to burn you up. I'm going to burn you up. I don't want to see your name Shasha say. You hear me? I say, look, what the fuck? I'm going to burn up everyone when I don't pull up me here. Everything.
You can't burn up my clothes
It's
anymore.
alright. It's alright.
Nicky! Nicky! Bad man. Blessing, man, talk to you still. Man, talk to you.
Where you go?
I'm going to talk to my brother.
Huh?
Super back, man, super back.
Where you go?
Where are you listening to? Yeah, sure.
Money, but you know when the money now come here.
Where are you Someone knows my brother alright.
Me alright, man, me good.
Make sure. I make sure you're not doing no outside way. Make sure. So I'm going to
Ask me, I look for
get it and call you. Wow.
You want to give one piece of money on the time, you know, come there and come and beat back. play bank hard. You know?
Big bank for what?
No, I told me now, me busy lately. Big bank, man. Big bank.
Man, I'm not thief. Man, I'm not thief, you know.
No.
Make sure.
You're not thief, you.
Make sure.
You're not thief.
No, naked.
You're not thief.
No, on the mirror, no. Stop that.
Yeah, man.
No, now go back. Now go check. Never mind, never. Go and get pizza, man. Go on, so.
Alright, brother.
Alright, pizza, man.
Yeah, go on, little boy, go on, everything.
Yeah, everything is
Snap, my face, snap, go on and no.
well, yeah, everything is
You don't know my name?
no problem.
I come call out this boy. I want him. Me follow
You
shot
never
to
said
know.
that, Jerome.
Yo.
Don't know why you stay so. Oh, I'm just can't, but I'm there, yo.
What go on, nephew?
What want Rasta?
Why, look like how to take the machine them for you, boy. I'm going to pull on the badness and get the machine here, say, look down on the wood, say you to look for you.
But I don't like to look for me too hard.
But you don't know the secret about that. The youth will look for you. 3/4 blind, he can't see you. It's just like the belt man will sell belt in a sab. He can't really see you. You understand? So when I think about look for you, him not see nothing at all. He just a look so. You understand? Fran, him go catching girlfriend a cheat. And he go say take you out there and see one man a zaga. And he look in your eye. You understand? Affecting eye nerves. So in a see for them time there. You understand? So you in hospital now, let's say go survive though, but in family.
Which in hospital?
The youth will lick. Them in a strong. Like they think say strong thing, if you lick him and in a move. But you never realize the after effect in the hospital now. Then go send police here. If they send police here, a good news that. Because you see, the relative of that youth there are some bad people them.
But you know me a police not plan piece of line now. I don't like police now. Not even soldier.
Alright.
Batman a Batman, police a police.
Alright. But what me I said though, in our time of badness, we bad with intelligence. We do things to people who offend us and really cause a problem. And we do it to make money. We don't do it for idleness. The machine them, what we give you is not free machine, you know. You understand? And I give them to lock them, and I give you to use them and hype yourself too much. You have to just calm yourself.
Alright, me a hype. You might look for me like some do something and thieves in the field.
But if you check the facts and check it and just do the maths, you
I never know I'm blind.
Anyway, my advice to you, we don't have to go apologize to them because they will call the relative them and then call the relative them. And if them feel certain way, police not going to deal with you know.
The problem is good on the police don't have a party.
Yeah, but you go good on there and say accidentally and lick him. You good on there, tell them accidentally. You and lick. You don't good on there with you good on there with good on there P's and Q's. And you intelligently come here say I be alcohol and you know. You say look what you there do. Eh?
No.
So you get lick every time for a man, it's like a man caca. I'm looking at you, know, but you go turn until you kill your backside. You hear me? If you smart, the first licking, lick and first kicking, you run. You know, you go do tracks. Run for better. A brown man you love, you better go and go find a man in the church. Alright, brown man, take that with that one here. Okay, it's like I look at you, look like he all eat. When I tell you go chip him in Japan and then he meet up back.
Kill him down and he don't hear me.
Alright, anyway, I'm not too long to talk to him, you know. That one you do, look like you're in a trouble party. Because look a man, so careful. I don't know, me stand. But anyway, if I get no more news, I come back to the machine them.
Alright.
I don't the police hold them, you know. The
Yes,
police
sir.
hold them. You go pay the contract.
Them good man, them hide the bush. Can't find them there.
You want them to anytime, time catch up.
What
And
you mean,
I want
man?
fresh up.
Them well hide up and hide, man.
Make sure.
See, I'm a man, I'm a family coming. Eh? I can't say it like a man. You change that attitude, then man. You change. So we say, hey, if I don't change, remember, you know food you're not getting enough to eat. I hear me enough water. I don't want to touch nothing here. You hear me, I tell her?
Jerome, look for me good. You really love me, oh.
Of course, my love. Every kick and punch, you know. I love that, you know. Anytime you go now, you feel them punch and kick there, you know. That's for sure, so I true love them there, you know. Hear me, I tell you.
Pete, that's not love. Them kick and box and punch we have punch. We them there for money. Only mama man beat.
Bruh, what mama man? Eh?
Oh, Jerome, you talk? Yeah. Oh, Jerome. Kind of sharp black man, the boy place. So yes, I go set up because girl, if I want the boy, tell the boy say I want the boy. No, shyness come down. No, I'm not going to shine. Me like somebody, me I tell somebody to my life. I'm like mine. You're me to just dancing, no? For the Christmas time, okay, I'm then go and go look the man and leave me alone. They can't help me look man. Yeah, help me look man. No?
Baby.
But at least me have biscuit. So you can call me for. I'm here, call. Oh, 1 minute there. So sorry, why you make me to come in the come to man? Good afternoon. Let's all come back. Like me? Well, I choose and so like come down, you know, you have to rough and you have to tough. You see, that them type of man they like bad man. Yeah, who? Bad man or Batman? Bad man I mean? Bad man. Oh. So when you? Yeah, go wait and you walk, go on. It's me at her. Yeah, as me I say, it's very mental, guys. She kind of, you know, mental, retarded. Yeah. So what you saying to me? You like me?
And I said something like, you know, I'm gonna want a chance in your life, so you know.
Wow. Well, when I just jump to conclusion. Hello, miss, me talking. When I just jump to conclusion, you know, you have to know how you're sick, you can't just say, you're a bad man, and I believe it. You can't see a bad man. So, yeah, you can get it. You text me, you know, and stop playing. Have money too?
No reward that.
Like the man with the money too, you know.
You know? Want that money, Harry?
No money, me a look rough to, but you know things, the money have to in there. If money not in there, how me eat? I'm not going to sleep good at night time, I'm not for the money not there. Alright. Yeah.
Look nice, bro.
Thank you. Hello, mama. Come on. Look, somebody to me. See you? Your motor put here now. Okay, for me now, but you will. Yeah, I don't have my I reach now, your girlfriend gone. Because I can't bother with the problem, you know. You sure? Alright, may I come? Where's that one anyway? I'm tired of hiding now. I'm tired of hiding. I'm tired of hiding.
What I say, man, that's who can come and fully. That's who can come and
Every time I say that, every time I do the same thing, every time I come here the same thing, I'm tired of hiding, brother.
I come home every time I come for a squad with me. I say, that's who can come and fully, that's who can come and fully. I have to just give me some time. You know?
Give what kind of time?
Take off my glasses because I'm coming like in a year, right? I ain't not saying right. They say me just need some time to build some business and get over with everything.
Okay then.
Oh, yes, stress me. So where I did now? All life I treat you.
I'm good enough.
I just say me there, just there, sit down and go and look out on the hands and all this. You know?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I do. Yeah.
She there at work.
She don't know what's going on.
No, you're crazy or she can know that.
You sure about that for me?
Yeah. But no problem.
Because can't wear them jammers saying, no, you know, one can't run. We don't know what time she'll come back. We don't know when she'll come back.
So will you call me over here? I ain't
Come
know
here,
about
brother,
that.
so sit down. Tell me sit down what this is. Yes, I just have one time for emotional things, you know?
Mm.
Yeah. Relationship between us starting. As I said, I feel it about it, you see me? But as I say, nobody can know about it.
This is so silly.
Do you see I'm going with you now?
They are good and thing.
Well, you know what I'm doing now? I'm on campaign with me and say, I only time we get free time, because we didn't come back a problem. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me say, call you, we talk. By the time you come back, I will have to look out for him and something, because if you come and get you, we don't see a problem.
Brittany! Brittany!
sure it's not a man for you?
Brittany!
How that?
Akira.
Kia. Wagwan.
Brittany.
Brittany Diana. One moment for.
I know I say woman, brother. Let down my cousin.
Sure, cause I know say if you say man out there and just lick for man lick him down, so what happen?
Him claims my cousin and look for him. Look for my cousin. Like him can look for him.
Wait. Yeah, you have a point there, sir, but I want to know why you choose to come to my apartment. How make man reach this? Why? What? I don't understand.
The reason why I'm coming to you, because I want to tell a woman to give him brother a warning.
And what the one is about?
But the same man in front of you can give me one if you want to give me.
Yo, make sure you give your sister man a message. See next time you see me, I'll lick me out this again. You're not gonna normally hear. Because, me I tell you, only God know. Next time you see me, I'll lick me. I'll be a problem I come down here. Alright, just that more you give me. And me I call the police them to next time.
Because you know, say if I'm not the police, they are bad people, you know, kill people. What the police you talk about? Come on, you know, sometimes you lose yourself.
So, why you have to pull me so?
No, sir.
Baby, there's no place no one.
Make sure you know.
Everything good man, different reasons different reasons yeah, so I see I'm going to cause I see in a long time I see but this something happening and get no chance you see.
Well, say just for something.
Well, me I tell you say as we just there I go and relax and I say you'll be here to call you but get you certain things and you might think say dash me you might think say you know this boy again but I still care just that the woman get upon my case I just she me a fee as me I say woman gone and it's all the free time we get isn't it? All the free time we get and me want to spend the free time with her before she come back as I know say me and you know say she come back a problem and she come get her me don't know what might happen as I see me I say
Them something they can't bother with.
as me I tell her say everything you too over with is who can come and fully me I put more thing and you know you know
This is so still.
so like say you don't believe me look on me I tell her
You talk about police, one police after. Excuse me?
I will
Police.
go on doing today.
Yawa,
Hear
sir
you,
or
I'm
ma'am?
not hearing you, you're so low. I'm fine.
Yawa, sir or ma'am?
Mom.
Alright. You hear me I say good?
Sure, yeah.
What do you hear me there on the road? And me sit down over on a little corner.
Mm-hmm.
Said time, me hear somebody a forward, a walk a come.
Mm-hmm.
And me turn my head so. Said time me turn my head. Them a ask where me a look for them for. But me blind, me can't see. And then, after that day, as somebody me see box me and run off.
You see
So
somebody
me see-
box you, so you accident. You see? Or you feel the
Remember me
box?
tell you say me blind, me feel the box. Yeah, me feel
Okay.
it. Yeah. Me feel it. Right for my jaw corner.
Mm-hmm.
After that, and the boy box me and run off. And me say today, me,
Anyways, listen.
Officer, I hear what I'm saying.
Listen. I'm on a
Officer.
mission, by the way. I am Detective
Officer.
Title.
Sorry, say me last.
Listen, I can give you a number for you to call, but I'm on a mission now. I can't really tarry.
Yeah, but sorry, say me last, me side. Because I'm not too take talk from police.
My condolences to you, sir. My condolences to you on your side. Okay? Anything else? I am Detective Title, by the way. You can always give me a call.
So I didn't call Detective Title.
Listen, Detective Title is not what you think. It's not about downstairs.
Oh, boy,
It's about holding on the guy hand.
On the police
And
officer
never
name
miss.
nowadays.
Once we hold up on them, then can't let go. Tight like that.
Oh,
Get
tight
what I mean?
that. Yes,
Yeah, man.
I got what I said.
Alright.
Yes, I got what I
Anything
said.
else?
Me go want you come up at the house with me because them violate me.
Take the
And me
number.
say,
Take the number.
Me don't know your number, me can't see.
911. If you can't get me, a press 2, okay? Alright. Detective Title. 911. If I can't get me, a press 2. Alright? Be safe and...
We don't do in a number 2 business, you know. Why you choose to get that number?
Listen to me. Keep an argument. Keep an argument. Remember, you're talking with the police right now.
Me go want you come up at the house with me.
Hey. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. I'm on a mission. Just call the number. If you follow me, I'll take you to the station.
Alright.
And this is more than stalking.
Alright. You know if you had even so do, you know.
Just walk good.
You know if you had even so.
My condolences to you again on your side.
Sorry, so me last me side here.
Where you go? Can I help it? Yeah. Yes, I'm at the location. Yes, it's a trouble minor, female. Yes, man, it's detective type. Alright. Woo! Alright, cool.
Anyway, still, I forget about that. Roof.
Police! Mommy!
Mommy, it's not what it looks like.
Excuse me?
It's not what it looks like, Mommy.
So, I got a call about a 12-year-old minor with a 17-year-old boy, and it turns out to be you?
Mommy.
Jada, seriously? So this is the library I sent you, right?
Mommy, it's not what it looks like.
Get up, come. Don't look at me like that. She's 12, older, you're 17.
You know that? I mean,
Are you what? Hey,
she said she has 16.
tell this.
Yeah.
Listen to me. Shut up. This is Detective Title. I don't play jokes. Get up.
I didn't mess up here, I didn't mess up.
You want to start working, right? You're an adult now, right?
Mommy, it's not what it looks like.
Explain.
Mommy, he's just my friend.
This is the library I sent you. Jada, this is the library.
So, miss, what make you always so tight?
I am Detective Title.
So, I say I want to so tight. Alright, hear me out. I soup. I'm a grandfather.
Okay. Since he's a grandfather, what's his name?
Mr. Herbert Campbell.
Mr. O?
Herbert Campbell.
Soon, right? Alright, now give you a blind. Listen, next time, you need an ID for a start dating minor. She's just 12 and you're 17. This is police matter, okay?
She has 16.
You see you?
You see your class? You see you get me now?
Jada, you disappoint me. So you want man now, right? This is police matter. But I will give you a blind, but not you. You want man, you're gonna start to work, okay? You're a big man, you're gonna start to work. You want a police job? Huh? Alright. It's okay. Okay? Have a nice day.
Same to you.
Have a nice day. But if it's ever reoccur, you will not like me. You will not like me. You will forget that you're the soup grandson. Get up! Get up! Money you want, money you shall get.
Hello? Yeah. Guess what? It turns out that the minor is safe. They were just doing some extra lessons with her adult there. Nothing police matter related. Okay? So I can just clear that off the truck. Yes. Everything is okay. The minor is safe. No abuse, nothing sexual, nothing personal. Just some schoolwork, friends just hanging out. Male and female with a teacher. Yeah, man. You know you can trust me. Yes. Detective title. Alright, later. Tell a lie to your girl. So me tell... Come here. Yes, soup. Me at the house already soup, me say. No backup. I must have done 10 man in a one day already in a brother. Yes, me can do it. One man is nothing to me. You not trust me again, soup? I forgot to say detective title this soup. Yeah man, me up on the location, so me soup. Yeah man. No worry yourself, soup. You got this covered. You understand? Yeah man, I can manage it. Yeah man, I'm sure man. Alright. Me keep it updated. Yo,
How old is that?
Jerome,
How old is that? I put you on the room and truth. How old is it?
shut up. Detective title.
What me do now?
You can't run, but you can't hide.
What me do?
What is for?
What is for?
What me do?
Most wanted man at Westmoreland. You didn't know that? How are you?
No, I'm not like that. I'm a man. Where problem?
I'm a criminal.
Me a criminal.
Stop questioning the police. Shut up. Shut up. What they gone?
Listen, I'm talk.
No, man.
What they gone?
No, I'm evidence.
Miss, how are your name?
Hold on.
Detective title.
Well, Miss Detective
I don't know about no
big
gun.
gun.
No gun, me say, I want police
Let me
have
tell you
like
this
you.
right now.
What they gone?
I can't go near talk about.
Which gun?
I'm not a criminal.
You only
What
brother
you talk about?
You know how long we look for the wire?
Me.
Jerome Walkerton?
man.
Yo, innocent.
Innocent.
Oh, brother no be tight.
Me, I get this back every case. Who the police? I'm more than you know.
We must buck again.
Look what I
It's okay.
It's okay. Look what I face.
It's okay.
Look what I face.
We must buck again, Jerome.
We
must buck again.
Mistake hole.
Must
If you
buck
not
again,
do
where?
what you have to do,
Must
if
back
you not
again where? Let me catch a face back every
if you not
Okay. Watch him.
Look at you.
Could I have this? Are you two? What kind of criminal?
I don't know what that woman talk
What do you
about.
mean by you don't know what I'm talking about?
What do you want to talk
I
about?
don't know. I saw them girl accuse people fitness and my teeth and want money.
Jerome, better you come clean to me now, because me ain't not dead in this. Let me tell you
But I don't know what she talk about. People feel people in a man. Oh, nobody with that, man. Oh, yeah,
Now I know your name. I know your name.
What happened?
But I don't know what I've seen Jeremiah walk out and there. Probably walk from Brazil.
Jerome, me I want you. Me not dead in this video. I say anything you're involved in, you try to come clean with my friend now.
You're not family member. We're not related. I don't know.
Babe, believe me. For you know me, you're not a thief. Eh? If you know
I'm going to tell me truth,
oh, yeah, everything when I do, I come tell you. Everything. Don't no bother with that. Everything me tell you. But some me all I know for one pillar, you know, girl. We are talking about.
Make nobody kick off door and come in, come kill me, Jerome. Yeah, we know.
But I don't know police time when they want money. Because every day I'm just like a scammer like me. Chopping line, no man. So for me, see me on road and
shit. And I left off the road, Jerome. Every minute you're gone on the road. You can't turn in the yard. You can't turn in the yard. Remember, you're not going to beat me, boy. I'm tired of you.
Jesus Christ, I give me that finger.
Sure. Every minute he's gone on the road.
Yes,
You're
but
gone
you have
to him in here. What am I do now?
Me give this picture, take this picture, and let me put my hand with it.
Who tell us to come in our way?
Hey, I will chop this thing and throw it in a girl. Don't
No
play
bother
with
with
me.
it.
Don't play with me.
Yeah, your brother beating sticking out. No, stop. Stop.
Hey.
Too many club
You know what? Me a come out of this.
Don't too many club.
Me a come out of this.
You come out and go away. I mean, your brother problem. Your brother stress.
Step in here, look. Hey.
Your brother stress. I don't want to know. Watch him. Stuffed up. Poor girl. So your brother come like problem. You say any day only make people come in and come kill me. Sorry if you want to say your brother want to start beat me. Wait to soon my turn. Alright, so I'm telling new boy.
Yeah, I'm good, yes.
He not cheat, no nothing. They with a good.
Yeah, as me say, rough man, me like he seems rough. I like him rough man.
So I don't have no soft friend, you know them friendless, shy type nerd.
I don't know, ask him.
Me don't know him.
Well,
If you ask him.
Me don't know if he have no friend. No.
But then have a number, you can call him and ask him.
Yes, them must have a man number. How can I question that?
So now then you can call him and let me talk to you, man.
Talk
Ask
to
him.
who? Who man I want to talk to?
I really someone talk to him. Forget remember say a soft man more than a rough
If I
man.
want a soft man, I tell you already go a road, go look one. The two-
So suppose we go around go look one and he see himself and then he rough.
Well, you left him. I'll go find one next one.
How me go find man?
Don't talk, you know.
Oh God, me boring.
Boring too.
So I find no girl in her phone.
Hello, me there text my man, have manners.
Oh God. Unlike me. My man too rough, so you know lick and I nothing.
Who him? No, I'm not start getting all lick friend yet. I do nothing feel like me.
No argument.
One or two arguments, yes, but I'm not big.
So you cook for him or something?
Yeah, cook for him, sometimes wash for him. Once in a blue moon, all the time.
What make?
He have two hands, you know.
But sometimes I don't want like wash clothes and lazy.
Me lazy too. Me lazy too.
So no go on fire him there.
It's a question, me so. It's a question, my life, man.
Girl, me a friend, you don't have to keep no secret from me.
We expect.
Me don't know.
Things have to go on.
So it's nice.
You want to know
Me
too
just
much, man?
curious.
You want to know too much about her life?
I'm curious, me curious.
So stand there. You can't know about that.
Alright then. So what you want to do?
Watch out.
Yeah, not
See,
set
come
me
here.
bed.
No, see, come here, chat to you.
So what you want to
You
in
think I
idea?
see
Call me boring, you know?
Boring.
I don't have nobody for call, nobody for text. Right now, me no mind them and they not call me.
You say, I want to come with me.
When him a come.
You not know when him a come, and my man not you.
That's him for care somebody with him.
Care who?
When I friend
You
them.
know when him a come and nobody can come with him.
So, I just see Cherry alone go there.
Cheer who? You go to your yard.
Yeah. So suppose me no
When
want
my
come
man there,
here.
me don't want you here.
That's
Cause
what.
you was a man snatcher. You love snatch people, man.
Me not gonna take him man, girl.
I can't take you.
The man rough. You want put me in the hospital?
You know look rough too.
Yeah.
My face ain't soft. Until
You look rough to me. Right now, me they are boring.
That's nice.
Can't get up go cook. I'm hungry.
Imagine if my man had run me go cook. Just me enjoy my biscuit. Me not plan to cook this evening.
So how your man go eat?
In buy box food when time I come.
You think so every day
It's
man
all-
want suppose the man not have no money.
You have money, you better have money. Or you go find it. You think
In my work.
In my work?
What kind of work you do?
Nothing about that. You want me to say you want to know too much about her life.
You have to ask her what kind of work your boyfriend do.
In Jesus' name, I pray, leave me alone. I just want to go away because you say I can't leave me.
When he come.
No, you go before you come.
No, when he come, me go.
But actually, you go right now. Cause you want to know too much. And I cannot answer your question for how long.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I run me from your yard.
I'm not wrong, girl. Just don't want you on that man there. Because he come, things are going. Nothing good. One on.
Alright. Later, my friend.
Wait, no, I'm close me a sec.
One talk to you.
So yes, you know.
No, so I love you and thing, I'm gonna date for you and thing.
Dead for me? So I could things them more here. Yeah, that's in picture.
Big man means I just see me sit down and say right now.
So yeah, I see.
I swear to God right now, me tell you.
Okay, so
When someone I want to marry that kind of look like a nice girl, and I'm just like, if you know you. So you say when that can happen. Alright, you don't think me a good youth?
no I say so about it kinda rough still. Kinda rough.
No, man.
You know what I'm talking about.
No.
Jesus Christ! What?
No.
Son about kill you, son. You make a son about kill you. Why? Where they go? Hey! Hey!
Baby!
Sorry, make a do no.
Baby, you're
Sorry.
gone! Baby, you're gone!
You're blind!
Baby.
Come on, don't go ahead, you know?
Oh, you're not dead! You're not dead! If I saw me, you want to give him some. Give him some. Don't make him done it. Boy. See that guy? Yes, I give him gun from now on. You don't want it. You don't want that. Give him some. Give him some. Don't make him, hey, look, don't make him done, you know. Don't make him done, I want some later. Give him some. I can't come. Come on. Yeah. Give him some now. Give him some. Why? Give him some now. Give him some. Ingan.
Yes, babes, and gone.
Ingan.
We're going. Jesus Christ!
you want to show me? You see a gun, man. You see a gun.
After that day, I tell me about how you would have dead for me. I really said no.
You never tell her that. You never tell her that. I miss me more. Miss 6 months. Can't see man come in and come over. After all, I don't want
Me want the man hand with the gun because I come.
something you want me under there. Something you want me under there. Cool.
What do you want to need? Not never want to need no bed. Me tell her if it come help me fight him and come out. Me want the hand with a gun there now. I give him some hour.
Little girl.
Don't hey me step in here. Hey, give him some hour. Hey, stop playing me here.
Oh, no, just give me some. So you say you're rather did that man some?
You know what?
Hey.
Me not like this video here.
No.
Me not this video. Me a come out here. You a dirty boy. Dirty boy. Man is Sophia. We are going to. So when it Sophia.
I think that you know man to look at the money. You can Miss Sophia.
Oh, no, Miss Sophia. Yeah, Miss. Yeah, manage it. Either way, it's my hungry. Yeah, me no see look out of breakfast this morning.
Well, the money when you cook for left, you don't. So if you know what breakfast, you give me lunch money when you left, you don't have, so we can go breakfast.
How we go to school if you can?
You must walk to school.
But I must walk to school.
When you come go to school, you not late.
Later.
Don't contact me so kind of no manners.
I am a stepmother.
You're lucky.
Yeah, my shoes messed up. Some find some for just wear slippers.
Jesus, man. You just lift your so.
Look at me too pretty.
That no say Jesus, man. Wipe off the slippers. I have to say, yeah, girl, yeah, come and road, dirty slippers. Me not ashamed of the truth. This is my people, I'm true. So me kaka. So how hey.
Oh, what your stepmother do?
So how in a crux and this over there, the white crux and how that then? A Reebok, Reebok socks.
You know say skin to come out celebrations and buy me shoes.
Can't give me, you know. Our size of you.
You know what I'm
So you come here the Pringles, they can't offer with some.
No.
Let's go make it dry.
Oh, you let die there. I'm going to crux and no manners. Go sell a boat.
Please.
No, you go sell your slippers, your bride. No, go back.
I never want to tell you put you underneath.
Then
Be
that's
sure
why
no
me put you under
be sure no say you no be this man.
Me sure no say me arm cleaner than y'all when you
I'll be
beard.
like, yeah,
No manners. Right. Smell
Fresh.
God put it down.
fresh.
I'm out here smell.
Yeah, tell you. One to Colgate.
What you have to talk up in your face? God. Wow.
Hey, she be here, you know, the thing is that you let your son wipe off the slippers, they say, man. Me not shame that.
I don't like it.
Weird. Hey, that's all my going.
Come on, you go to school.
That was cool.
Right, me forgot this.
Right, that's some me a build back. Build up a big head.
Yeah.
I get high.
Oh, well, when I build up your big head, I hope you can find a big head.
But wait there.
Come.
Come on, you
Come,
to
Chloe.
school
We're
because
going
I
to
will tell my
school.
father's father mad, you know. Come on, go on, bye.
Yes, that's all anything. You just sit down.
Yeah.
Remember one time I said something with a big head this morning.
Yeah.
And I said, what can I get rid of your condo? I do.
So you can bust up on him.
Why? I don't know, girl. Not even if you have no friend, but if anything, you let you know.
Girl, I don't know, no man call my father. My father
You
straight.
know, so you're more than us, young.
No, girl,
Everything
no,
you talk
man.
about, father is father.
Girl, my father strict.
Strict, man.
My father strict to my father chop off my neck.
Oh. That's it for your father.
You want to ask daddy?
Father, no.
Anyway, just chat too much, come on.
Stop. Why you stop me for?
But I complain, man, but your friend them are a good company.
We don't know about that. Remember, you just born, you don't know nothing.
Yeah, what can you say? Go build up one big head. What can you say? She go build up one big head.
When she say big head, she don't like literally mean a big head what you think about. She talks say she go build up her big head. Cause her head big. I you see it.
I might born yesterday, but me smart and know things.
See, you're not smart. If I did smart, you did there so yappa and I go on you must with me like Liza. Why? Because if I did born yesterday, you're that in a diaper. You see, you're not smart. Don't come and try use your capital sense to form a cap. God didn't even know say you're not gonna come on.
Sis, you see me, I want you. Alright. Now listen to me. Nobody come ball and say you should have hear and should have know something.
listen, you chat too much. Come, I could go to where you go step mama Sophia. And look when say we can have
Oh God, that was delicious. Oh Jesus.
Evening, Sophia.
Evening, Sophia.
Oh! Hey, so let me say, you don't have no money or no Fill buy no fill up for breakfast for give it. And you today and Burger King. The wicked you.
Listen to me. My money and my money. Your papa left money for you and it done.
And yet you want we call your mother. Dream on. Right.
You know no manners.
Were you wicked?
You too. No manners.
Oh. So I say go now. Go you there so and you big look at Chinese food. Look at me look for white.
Remember say that the girl left.
Smell on my mouth.
Remember say that the girl left here?
But remember say me daddy gone left me. You tell you know you want we call your mother so treat you like you're picking me.
You is not my daughter, it's not my daughter.
You is not my real mother.
Okay. So you have a problem if me eat Chinese food.
Where step picking me up.
Step away you walk on.
Oh, we are now walk on though. But me say anytime I reach out, they say I him. Alright, tell me.
Because go ahead and say you not get more water. That's why you not no one else.
Yeah.
Let me know I'm calling down here. I know say a surprise, I'm a surprise.
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 I have me out of my bed to come here so now you must have by you.
I'm listening right now, you don't know what I'm going. They have been house long time now.
Which house is your house?
I mean, see house when
Aye.
I mean, the hard working, do this in a man.
Aye.
Yeah, man, the Bucky Giant.
Bad. Don't friend them and she has right.
No!
I mean, I put the king size bed over there, so man. Everything alright to it.
So Orlando, when this gonna go put one more on the top?
Can get to see you, though.
That's easy.
Yeah, tell you. So you say I call a friend name.
I can't call a friend them and she was right now.
Do that now. Now I go up on the line still and see what can go on, you know.
Alright.
Now I give up, see me, you know. Believe in me, man.
You believe, man.
Alright, yes.
So Sophia, me not think of food. I'm money I get to buy food to cook.
What do you mean by?
So
Remember so the father left no money, you know?
So when they're hungry.
You like to hear for the money buys? You know what I do to buy my Chinese food?
I don't Chinese food.
Yeah, no, me.
A dog food. I mean, never did one.
You're lucky. If money didn't give you that, take you a while ago go, eh?
Is that what she want now, man? Yes, ma'am.
Good girl.
What you want?
What?
There.
Ready?
The yard, which part me for this?
Yeah, where's your fear? They can't come up on the road.
Condo.
Go build back the little bit and talk.
Build back little bit and talk what you want to talk about. I'm sure you can talk about it yourself.
No.
Why
Why
not?
meet up in person to talk about it?
You-
I live with sister here, because everywhere you go, you carry back on you.
Girl,
must
you
be a
mix up, you
teen.
know? Anytime you say you have something like that, if you talk, or some mix up, you go talk.
I don't know,
and then
mix up. We just have a build little bit and talk about school, that's all.
Alright, listen, me I left, you see a 5 minute we chat for them to come back on the yard.
15. Put
Yeah.
on one panel.
Make your house you still have veranda. 5
Of course, you have to
But
more
of course,
comfortable.
you just too high, me a come.
If you high. So, we can come to something. Kind of something I want to do. But me, I wait on first for me. We can't already stay.
There, you know.
Watcha!
But I couldn't hear it, you.
Me I say.
No, when I said,
I
I should have
want
a
to
gun.
show.
No, shot in the you put me the shot in the
With what?
Your finger? Your finger,
Either
you
way, so
can
make
do.
it call it. So I'm going to
Me I say.
Because you're 15. I'm gonna tell you 5. Me tell you
15.
make your house is still one something.
You're lucky. Anyways, you can't put in
What wrong with the house?
Auntie, you.
I don't know where I get excited over. So yeah, so we can't come up on the house.
Anyways, in the old school. Girl, man.
We happy for you.
I'm excited, you know.
You know what I say, my man to build one too. I'm going to build back in my boat on the house.
Go look one.
Good. But I want to make it with me. We keep taking my mama.
So yeah, look for nobody.
No, me just look at the interior.
My father rich enough so he can give me big house and things.
Yeah,
But I want to scare my money.
That's
anything. Oh, you're so normal, can't you? Girl,
are you
okay? And you say carry out every house.
I know we they are fast.
Me can't put them so now. But that
So
far
tell
over
me
there.
we're looking one more you want out of life. Me tell you say you ever want to look out of life.
Watch ya. So you can't fly near ya.
You not blind me though, trust me.
Yeah.
Not say I know say me want to see that the day.
Where were they call
No,
again?
but I know that. So you're sure with this escape mama and
Of course, 100% sure.
Wow, we are confident.
I
I won't make you up anytime escape mama left him.
As one gone, the next one man. Move, man.
Wow. She has options.
I hope it's not man, your mother. I obey you for something else. Yes, I see my man in the big house. Come on, see what me drive got St. Mary. So when I dead, how that go?
Tell escape mama say anytime the house going build, if you go to place for mosquito.
Yeah. They could walk with her. Your favorite mosquito yourself, that's why they swarm you.
I'm a family.
Go ask your pa. Beggy too much.
I say,
Hello, beg. It's
Wow,
time
I'm
to
gonna
beg
take
you.
care
Ask
of
your
my
mama to say no one none. The pies are mad.
Girl.
So no beg me
Girl,
nothing.
we can go to the phone right now to phone to 100,000 basic. Before you break my
so you come here beg 15,000.
So come,
Come.
Come, Father, come. Down there we are go, down there, come, go on. Right in front town.
Hold on. Yo, how you do on the road?
Answer.
Where you do on the road?
Answer.
Me a talk to you.
Yeah, shut up your mouth.
With them,
Now you say go beg your father money. Beg him right in front of me right now.
which money? Which money? What you talking about?
More $100,000.
What? For who?
For you.
For the what?
Me tell my friend say you're rich.
Tell your friend, a friend them
Yes.
mosquito 1, mosquito 2.
Yes.
Eh? What kind of friend them here?
Go get him and beat him out
Get
here.
money from
Girl,
who?
look here. You start with me.
Pastor, let's see your father disrespect.
Yo, where you come from?
Mosquito
Where you
and
come from? Where you come from?
Eh?
Where you come from?
Give a toad.
No from money me I look for you. Me tell you for shut the plate them I left for yard. Where you come from?
The girl come out of my yard and say, "You man, they build him house so."
Hey, you! No tell
Which
no
girl?
lie,
Which
family.
girl?
No tell no lie, a lie.
Mosquito 2.
A lie.
So you make mosquito lead out of yard. What kind of company them you have? Eh?
You can't want to call me a mosquito. Give a toad.
How about see your man? You
Yo,
see your man
yo,
look.
I'm telling you this man. Where the pan? Where you afraid? Where you want me coming live?
Bang your line.
Girl. Daddy want to be a truck star.
Say a lunatic them you par with.
Are you give a Scooby-Doo?
Eh?
How about your man?
Everything you
Girl.
talk about, man. Talk to your father.
Say be a movie in your head. Go Scooby then say a cartoon you par with.
You're a SpongeBob.
Eh?
All the patches.
Oh, cartoon. I am new name that.
Yo, you wanna tell a friend them about me? Yo, stop smiling with me and tell a friend them about me. Look for me, I talk to you.
Yeah.
You wanna tell a friend them about me?
No.
You tell them say me no run joke.
About the kind.
Yo, come
About
here,
the
come go on
kind.
down. Go on down. Go on
Run the
down.
yard.
If never
Boom.
see you with them a company, I get a seat.
Walk up. Run.
Yeah, come on, to later.
I mean, when come down there and see plate them wash up here.
Go watch it play them.
This one here. The big like breadfruit.
See if you are two other.
Oh boy. Yes, we come back. I might spend 2 or 3 weeks, but finally can want shoes. 2 and them still. At least do better. Let me see. How are you? How are you? What are you?
They're going to school, so I have many things in there.
School over. What time now?
They won't find time.
What time now?
And just after 1.
Oh, I want to read that time.
So I can't for me now, man. I'm going to see you now, man.
Come on, tell me, man. Put it.
So you don't can't do it for me?
The amount of money when we left here before me go on my mission for 2 weeks. When money then?
That not done. When they left enough money after the picking them, you know, to say them belly long.
So you want to tell me say the money when we left here done?
Yeah, you done.
2 weeks.
2 weeks, 1.5 fast.
I mean, like 1 month worth of money that in case nothing to me on the road, I'm making up a hospital go on in that 2 weeks. You want to say that
You never said no more money.
Come on, you know, we take up your food, you know.
The money is so fast.
The tattoo. You know, the tattoo.
And my money put on. I never hear money. My money put on.
We all know. Anyway. You cook?
Not another have to cook.
So, at evening time, like people coming, I said, you know, no money that they have to cook.
No one that they have to cook.
See, how much money left you have to pay Sophia?
You cook every say week, don't have fast. Them have to go to school.
Sophia, lunch money different from food money, Sophia. How will give extra money for yourself?
Look at me, the money, every money.
Then me will give $5,000.
That not in a 1 day. Look how much picking in a yard. That not in a 1 day. Them not go to school. Them not want big money.
God don't feel like it. I feel like a 10th grade they come from the safe parole. I will take you to
Yes,
homeless. I will
yes,
take you and put it in your feet, take you and make it to them. And this is how you're repaying me.
So you bring up that far. Eh?
This is how you're repaying me.
So you bring up that far.
But now I'm
If you did left more money, you'll come back and come get him. Unless you don't say you come here today, because you never call and tell say you come.
Oh, so if you tell us that we are come, so if you have a man, you make the man left before we come here.
No man doesn't come here. No man doesn't come here. So.
When they go to school, they can do anything.
What me a pay a man come here for?
I don't know. You tell me.
Come on, speak them me have, eh?
So, what about your hand? Where you like my hand?
I'm a name.
Ask Sophia your name.
Well, I'm a middle name.
Whether your middle name, your front name, your back name, your side name, you see anywhere you're going to put on with the money, try and get it back and go cook.
Yeah, one man come one day again. I'm going to sell my friend, can come back home cook.
You better didn't do that, because no. You better didn't do that, come here
But I
and
want
sleep.
my friend come up for it, come and sell nothing to please nobody.
Anyway, let me ask you a question. The little one. Yeah, for me look at that, the last one. Call me on my phone couple days ago say, you buy dog food. I don't know what kind of dog food you talk about. Some
you're feeling a normalized.
Some Chinese. We don't know what to tell us. Say some Chinese bungalow and where you want to call it dog food you have in here and you have lavish.
It's dog food. You ever see me how can I pick up dog food look like that? I don't want to come from about woof woof woof.
Why did you reach her? Why did you reach her? You never come collect my money and make my them suffer.
So it's pick if you have manners. If you have manners and respect.
Hold on, Sophia.
But now feed up bigger than no manners.
See everything? Dirty plate.
So you pin them there do. More than the fan gun and road gun man and come in back.
Hey!
man.
Hey! What a little class in front of you. My picking them don't know nothing, man. My picking them don't know nothing, man. You're bright.
Well, then no manners. You need to go there with respect.
Get in there, my picking.
And the bathroom, when they come in and every time they go on phone, they not even study. Then tell you that? Eh?
No, that's a lie.
Then tell you that?
That's a lie. Because teacher tell me that my picking them must score. They must score
Then
A.
when they get homework, they don't do no homework. Now because they must score higher, they go up 100% A and whatsoever. Then if you come on and study too, then
5 multiplied by 5 plus 10.
100%. 100.
You don't have to look up on the rest.
Come up, man. That's all I do. Come here, come around, teach post like your girl.
Me have one question when we want to ask you. Wow. Just because you are sleep.
Never question.
Yeah, detective. How much are you man saying?
No more see
Jesus!
You check your mouth over here, so about Jesus.
You reach far. You're not even tell man say school. I just get grade 9.
So, enough door.
A dirty clothes.
Jesus Christ. Yes,
So,
the
the can't be girl.
You keep your mouth in a car, but say you're gonna shame you don't miss on a day.
For realize that you chat too much.
Exactly. Shut up, man.
I just to my phone, never have the money at that
Young
time.
Mrs. Hello.
Good evening, miss.
Good evening. What kind of conversation me here today so I have?
Nothing more. You shut your mouth.
No, you're involved with them. One of the years start about man, but on the school work on the fear meds.
Yeah, listen, me ask you something.
Me just listen to them.
You shut your mouth, no, man. You love chat, so.
Out of me and you who chat now.
There's an elder here, so I know not talk first of all. Come to know why I sit down right here, so enough for them home. I'm not speaking to you as a young miss.
No, you come here, so go interview. So, you can't say something.
What is it?
Shut up.
This is exactly what I'm talking about. You see, when you're at school, you're taking your education. You come right here, so boy, you want to correct with me, right? Remember, me left school already. Me have everything what me supposed to have. So all of that right here, so boy, if me and you take the same man, we could never take the same man, first of all. But you're wrong for the right here, so we waste your parents' money. Right?
Oh, you know, say my parents are saying me go to school.
Same thing. You're not supposed to do the right here, so even if you're not the right here, so you're not supposed to have a book in your hand and study, but no, you're not there to talk about man. All the thing tell man wrong age. Seriously? And that's what the mother grown up to do? Imagine how disappointing the mother and father will be if you know say this is not what you do.
But at least you take man with you.
No, you're not supposed to proud of that first of all. So shut your mouth. You see, the rest of them quiet, so why you can quiet too? What you feel like? Huh?
Cause
I know my shop here dumb so I all of them.
Dumb.
Stop the noise. When you hear big woman talk, you need to listen.
Miss, I don't know where's the man. They just come here and interrupt me. What you for?
I don't have anything else to say. You hear that?
Man.
You shall learn one day. Hello?
You shall learn one day.
You shall learn. You see your brain.
You don't know.
Cock off your teeth.
You go fix your girl, them like your girl, them that type.
You know. Yes. I know you not to tell me. Bye. Me glad me see you. You know how one daughter go to school?
Two of them. And then me I want to find out. Me good over there in school.
Me just passed them understand it was a very upsetting sight. Tell me why the whole of them sit around there talk about man and discuss about man.
No, I know my daughter.
No, she favor you. Me recognize that. That's why I come back and ask you. Right? It was so upsetting when me hear them talk about man.
My two precious daughter them I talk about man.
They are not so precious. According to them, they're 18 and older. So you're supposed to see about that. And the hottest thing about what
18.
18.
You sure you hear that?
I am very sure. And when we confront one of them, all of them, one of them out of the whole of them feel like they need to face it with me. And you see, because I don't really put my hand on children.
My daughter said, am I 18?
You're the...
Listen to me. Young, listen to me. Nothing you know. You see, if my daughter really tells me I'm 18, so me go on and make sure I take off back 4 teeth out of her head, you know. Because she is 14. I don't have no 18-year-old daughter.
14?
One are 14 and one are 12. Then the other 12-year-old just start high school.
No, something not right.
What do you mean by something not right? Let me tell you this. You think me have no big woman that go to school? I look at pitney them, look at me. You know, hard me go out there for 2 weeks of work. Me left all how much money they. And you tell me say my pitney. After me go down to school and look for them. You tell me say my pitney sit down round corner. I chat about man and I say about them at 18.
Well, in case you don't believe me, all you need to do is disguise yourself as a chopper with money, iPhone and all of that. And you will see what me I talk about. And you will work your hard working money. Them a throw it down the drain. Cause all them
Chopper?
chopper. And that you hear me say right.
My daughter take out chopper me there I work.
And I just hear that alone and that every Sue girl I go after at this point. And it don't make no sense.
You see me go on the corner and my daughter. Not only chopper I'm going to chat to you, I'm going to chat to my machine.
Sounds lovely. You need to punish her because I don't understand the type of behavior they know not say you grow her.
Me work hard to send them go to school and me talk to them day and night. Me tell them about how man. Me tell them about how man. That's why me run with them mother.
You don't talk hard enough.
Because them mother tell them anything. Them mother come like say them. Alright. If me not carry no money in the week, them mother come like them and influence them to go look man. Every time the mother, they go to the mother. Look look man, call the mother now go to so me have to run them out. They have to run out the mother. I'm find out homeless girl left to come here to work coming and lift my picking in my yard by themselves. I'm not gonna do that. I'd rather find somebody when I have nothing to do. And left them there and give them a little pocket money and say, alright, go and take care of them, be their stepdaughter for the meanwhile. We don't do them things there. We just go along there and see and tell me say, you know, no, then and the look one call me on the phone, you know. Tell me say their stepmother now give them nothing to eat, you know. That's why I come down quick, you know. Because I'm in a grow so. I'm in a grow them so. So if me go on the corner, talk to me, tell me straight. Alright. Yeah? Alright, thanks. Where you do that? Where you do that, so? You're 12, where you do that, so?
Yes.
School you come from where? Go down here. Go down here.
I'm a father.
Go down here.
Are you father that? So what's wrong with this? You ugly, no? Hey, you have to talk about ugly, no, because your father broke and disrespect you. You know.
Oh, you
fatherless. Oh, no, man. You already come down the left him. We got prison for him. No got prison for him. Come down here for listen.
Why you saying to them?
I'm afraid we just attack.
Go down. Go down. When
Sir.
I come down, listen. Remember.
Sir.
Me know your father, you know. Me know your father. I'm going to make your father clot you. But you don't I talk about man. And I talk about who for man this and who for man that.
You saw this ugly man wanna fix your front teeth to make one.
No worry. Hot, yes? Lord of God. Nobody move. Nobody move.
I'm hearing from.
Nobody move. I'm glad you come.
I'm hearing from.
I'm glad you don't move.
I'm hearing from.
Let him.
Listen.
Sure.
I want you to know what I mean, I don't know.
Me no business.
What are you doing, sir?
You know something just passed through, brother.
Girl.
After you grow up,
What are you talking about?
the one I didn't know you talk about man and about them 18
Don't tell me
and
like
about. I talk about who for man.
Don't tell me like
Man longer than who for
I know man
static
me
longer
talk
than who
about
for.
daddy.
You up here talking about
I
man?
don't mean to talk about man.
Let me tell us about this company here. Eh? Let me tell about mosquito too. Come here. Stand up here, sir.
Take it.
Where you do on the road?
No,
I'm gonna tell us when you come home at evening time, you have to stay in a yard.
And a green. And a green.
I make Mass Judge come see you on the road, then, sir. Eh?
Mass
I tell you about man.
But daddy.
But daddy what?
But
daddy what?
And man,
Stop. Giggle your teeth with me. Stop giggling your teeth with me.
you know like him, man.
Stop. Yo. You know me staying, you know me dark and staying. I mean something I like him. Yo. I say if you not gonna clean up a place, I see you what. What you mean something I like him?
Your daughter get so big.
Oh,
What time you consider? How long you consider no so? K up there, so you know, nosy K will know everybody business. 30K? Me don't know if it's dirty. But as she tap me, tell me, my daughter don't so. And the first time I book in a sign, and me tell if you don't come on a sign. You see, when I go home, which man name I talk about? Because you must have play with, which man? I don't know the man yet. But when I go home, I will know the truth. Because you see me not run with my picking them. Get me play, you think I pram me push? If me carry them go a doctor, and doctor said, then cherry pick. Anyway, then get it pick. Then we go back their feet. Pick! You think the boy can't pick my daughter cherry tree? You're mad? Alright. Later. Hey.
Evening, Sophie.
Evening. I can't say mommy for once.
You treated like you're beginning.
So when I come from school, so all you're so sweaty. Anyways, your father doesn't phone, you know.
What are you fine with?
So now so
And then the most cause you fine with me for your run so. Alright, yeah, dear. You see, you want to pick up for me? I wanna tell him say you treat you bad.
pick up on you say what happened.
I don't know anytime you come and say you just pick up for me, we don't wanna do nothing bad or nothing.
So tell me what I want to do.
I don't know.
Pick up what I don't know what I want to do.
I don't know that the turn already just ignorant of everything.
I saw me do bad then.
What if you do bad?
Oh, you're not. I want more narrow from school, so I want.
Me tell you that the fine way up this so.
I want to find out too, no.
No, we just said we're done. I know anytime you so calm so but I'll come after.
Anyways, when you come in, so I'm gone.
Alright, me go in.
When you come get a couple of things, I'm going to take a show.
What happened?
I want
What happened?
So them around come, so I want
Why do you have my picnic never tell about to man?
me? What you talk about?
Me go down on the road, I go see them. I talk all about 18. Because that you have my picnic up here. A child traffic my picnic them.
Nothing like that. I don't know. I company with them a follow. The company them.
Let me ask you a question. Me not let your money. Me not let as much money. If they not think about no man here.
Man, step in the news. What that's what? I talk about man.
So I blind. I fool me full. Eh?
So,
I fool me. Sophia, when we take your picnic, I have nothing, Sophia. Not even one piece of panty on your back.
So yeah, bring up that far. That's
Because
how like reason with that thing.
When you come here, I supposed to underpants. We couldn't believe it. Man put you out. In a day, supposed to underpants and a little top. And we put you up and we give you clothes. We make it look bougie.
Me know like it ain't nothing. No, man. I must see company when she have fall at school and broke them out. You sure for me step pitney them?
Paris!
Daddy!
Come here.
Welcome.
Let me ask you a question. Where you come from?
I'm a friend and video up this one now. But I never mean no.
What's that about?
I want a girl to be and she talks so she have one man. So me I say how much you how all you tell him
I tell you, I the company never she a parried.
And then me I tell her
Chat to you.
and she says she at 18 and I say why you do that? Why you tell him man if you not just in at 8th grade? And then she talk about this and that. Then me say we don't need a cabin no my father beat me.
John was saying, look, sister call me, she up here in cheating and I'm good enough food. I'm going to Miss Chin or Mr. Chin go buy dog food. Me don't have fried rice and dog.
So you don't put me so for me to do nothing?
Can you look, sister? I'll make me find out if you ever buy dog food in here.
Alright, because you, let me tell you, somebody have to go down. Somebody have to go down.
When you see, come
Come
here.
When you call me and tell me on the phone, say.
I didn't lie.
So I lie, I tell me lie.
So you have to tell that for me.
You go out in there before me. You know, me put a good piece of work and you can't get it. No.
Me a tell you, no.
If you
Tell
don't,
them we stop far with the bad company them at school when school over there to come at them yard. Them not have exam to do.
we sorry for judge you. But gone.
I love cost too much.
Gone. See, I'm too back. Say, come here from the good old work. I don't go.
Done up a big house there. No man can live in there. Bad. Bra things, man. But for me, I drink every day. You can buy with. And I'm not good, you know, give up. Alright. You there, man? You doing? Okay. What about my woman? What happened?
She come call
I see her family, you know.
my bench, man, me gonna check still.
You what?
3 million.
Trying to go check 3 man. You like you're sick, man. My woman don't do that. That probably like that.
That's what you would just say.
When me I say, no
Remember
man
some
love
my
me,
friend, you know?
no man love me, you know. Hard me I press the line to build a big house run so. To me and her. So you tell me say she a cheat.
Yeah, that's what you too.
Sure. Let's go find out something. So what happen?
Nothing.
That alone you come and tell me still.
No. I don't say no. You see, I'm not nobody, so you can't take me up too.
I'm gonna take you up.
You're on the side.
So you cheat too.
No, I'm not cheap.
You're not like you're telling me.
Look here. Can't pass by like can't tell like.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
So you see that going on.
No, go down away. I'm going to be like, oh, still like, oh, you be like, oh, still like,
You drink. So far, but I have to go drink. Alright, one cup of drink, you know, you just alright. Acha, yeah, go on. There's something to talk to you about.
It's shush.
It's shush.
You don't know. You dumb. You can't talk. Wow, girl, wow. You dumb, me not understand what I'm saying.
No worry about what they go on.
Keep
That's
your mouth,
something
me
talk
talk
to you
to
bigger
she.
than that right now. That me I tell me you see you check 3 man, I walk one.
Come
Yeah,
for 3 man,
you
but
have
who tell
3
you that?
man.
Who tell
And
you
me
that?
and your friend tell me and your friend sit down and we just talk about
You
it.
see you
So I
girl?
don't know what one. No
You
matter
never good
about
friend
she,
from
explain to me. So, yeah, let's try down.
If you girl anywhere me catch you, you must
Ease yourself. Oh, what happened? Ease yourself.
easy myself with what?
What do you mean? You're a worried girl. What you tell me say you cheat? You cheat, you know. You can't tell me nothing.
Me not have no 3 man. The reason why she come to and tell her that day, cause from me they go to school, me they tell her about you. That's why. I mean, but ask her if she want one and she said no, because her father this and her father that.
You make sure you're not cheating. I'm not cheat fine. I mean, I work hard, you know. 1,000 number me just don't proceed, you know. 1,000
So
number.
how me gonna know say you not cheat?
Yeah. Me not cheat fine. I love you. It's your hard me I work for you.
Ask him my idea, you know?
Yeah.
Ask him and
You know,
one man.
when me done the house in the car, me I get, you know. Yeah, and I'm here, you are rolling at that. Wind that
I'm
down.
a friend
Everybody
too.
have to.
I'm a friend
Your
too.
friend now coming out with vehicle. What do you mean? You're mad.
Call me an idiot.
So, man, where I go?
No, I go nowhere. Just we have to take a school. Anywhere.
So I'm walk with you.
No.
No,
Can't
man.
walk with my friend.
Where me walk with your friend be?
Call her back, you and her can't walk. Hold back hand, go and love it over me, guys.
Alright, listen up. Now wait till you're easy, then let me check your back.
Come here, let me see you.
Let me ask you a question. So you miss the way I talked just now. Where before?
Girl, we just gone.
Yeah.
No man, no must no man.
You what?
No man.
No. I'm gonna ask you another question. You know how old she be?
I mean, she are 18. How make you laugh?
18.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. That young girl right there, where you see she is not 18. She is 15 years old. And when they me buck up on them, I talk about the same thing. Only if you know, say my own brother, them I tell them foolishness too.
So you say?
So you say
She
all
is-
along she a lie to me.
She been a lie to you at 15 she be and she there in a grade 8. Grade 8 she in a. Why you never dare say before you think today with her?
If she could have get left off. Yeah, man.
Evening.
Yeah, man. That's how you said, my sister. Something she had tell me, say,
Something very serious.
all along me this girl, you know. Oh, girl, we had date for a year and a half.
Year now?
Yeah, year and a half.
So you tell me say Fran she a 14 a day with her? Seriously?
Yeah, but what? You know, lay down yet, you know. But you know, lay down together yet, you know. Me never know, yo. She tell me she a 18. You see my father. But if you get that birth paper, me waiting for that. Come here, say, yo, she probably not lie, no, she nice. She treat me nice, she not lie.
You never meet her parents?
Yeah, no, nobody see her yet. Me all build me house, see me and I live in it. Me I tell her, your father. Some hard work me I put in, yeah. You build house? Yeah. Come on, she live with me, yeah, cause she, if me didn't know, say she have 14, like how my sister just tell me. I should go deal with that, cause that's not my thing, you see me?
You hotel that
No, you can't do that, father, what you know? I know nothing serious, cause me ain't know,
No, man,
me ain't know, sis.
14 year
You know
old.
your brother, if your brother know certain things, your brother nah know
Are
that.
your little sister
If
here, them there?
no, me disappointed because I'm glad you say I'm a brother, right?
Yeah.
My brother would have normally do some background information before there were the females there.
Right.
So what did I go through your mind when you think
for
that?
the house and the work,
You're
busy.
busy.
Know what me I do, me can't do it.
You're busy as
Right.
where you know if you do.
No, father, me not do that yet. You see me, that's why I work from my house, so she live with me. You see me? Me and them, I never just jump to that, brother.
Anyways, me need to pass up a time. I hope you book me and go look at two boats.
That's alright, but yo, go here, so let's make it on.
Yeah, man, everything good, man. Everything is clean.
Yeah, man.
You need to cut off that.
See.
It is not right. You know, if authorities say about this, you go to prison, right? I mean, no one that
Yeah, man, them
You
no one
see
go
you
to
do
prison,
for
I
your-
work hard.
Exactly, so you need to cut it off with her immediately.
And I cut her off, man. I have to go see her and talk to her, man. I
make
make you know to me in here right now.
Just make sure.
Don't tell me about I forgot them. I look like you go out there and run, come back up and stuff. You think that way, but and they didn't there.
Actually, I don't know.
I
Go
don't
through
know
the
how
fence, man.
I don't have a tuna fence. I have quite long too.
Alright, then that's alright.
You need to cut off that.
Can't do that, man.
I don't want you go say, oh,
Can't believe the way she lied to me.
Exactly.
Year and a half. No, she tell me that.
I don't want you say, oh, you go cut the link and me here tomorrow so you still together. That not
That
right.
not happen, sis. Trust me. Your brother tell her that will happen.
And make sure you don't make this reach you again. Give your background information. If you even get a next woman, come to me and say, yo, sis, you know that girl, how she be or whatever. Learn from your mistakes.
Yeah.
And make sure you say, me don't hear about that again.
Yeah. Alright. Let's hear it now.
Yeah.
Now I get something for you still and check here now. So I'm going to put you in your work. I'll bring something.
Alright.
Yeah, how you been doing, Sadie? I'm going to play a little game, sir. You still have to take a portfolio. So, what going on? There. So, how are you doing? Girl, because so what? And I have a story to tell you. What that they know? What that they know? Remember three friends, the name Tash? Yeah. What do I? Yeah. After me, they take a little school. I made up a yard. My heart and everything. So I say, alright then, they take a little walk out and find the road. I want mine to, as somebody go in a girl, I want mine to just go straight. When the people over look, I tell with my man, hands up and everything. I lie. Them look like me, I tell lie. Jeez. After I call her my friend, you remember how she had gone about her father this and her father that? Yeah. And about how she don't want to scam a man. So all along she be there, they pretend. And when my back turn, she will take my man. And then she say, we are friends. After me did tell her, you know, me I will give her one for herself, but no, after me man she want. Yeah.
Me have to fling a stick off for the girl. As sorry, I never catch him for beat out him backside down there.
Real. You see, if I go beat him, I just come because you know I'm ready for grab.
Me know you already long time girl, but me the extra ready to beat her out there.
But remember,
Especially
she
on the
bigger
man
than
they
you.
go get it too.
Remember, she bigger than you. So
Bigger
she will
than
sit
me.
down for you. But that's why you want help. Just call me anytime.
Girl,
you're
me
ready
no
and
need no
I'll
help.
be
Me
there.
alone can take down the two of them flat. Put them a ground.
I heard you.
Girl, remember see me there in the army and auntie you.
Hey, you are your lucid dreams. Them know you're so delulu. Your delusion is not gonna work right here.
The cock up there. So see me in my soldier clothes.
I hear
With
you.
my big gun. Can't
Make
talk
sure.
to me.
I'll let you
Can't talk
remember
to
me.
Of course, me I go remember you.
you.
Yeah, when you link me and say, girl, you know, ready for go under the dirt. So anyways, you don't say me I go back around you.
Alright, let's continue so playing here.
Be safe and scroll up on you. Move on.
Aye. Yellow push back to
Wagwan. But I go. Boy, you know say. I want next up me look for my younger daughter make me walk off of me work.
You never lose fear walk up them like you want first. But
God, me tell me say she now get proper care. I'm too me respect my people them me let you walk.
proper care like daycare.
No, tell me say this the woman them left a yard, you know. Cause them call her step mommy. You want them left a yard to take care of them. Now they buy Chinese food and I never to myself.
Chinese food.
Yeah.
So she hype.
Me no know. But then see that hitting them, but you see me.
So what kind of food they eat?
Oh. Me natural. We go for the cheese with a mango cheese. Me natural ackee and saltfish with dumpling, yam and banana.
So selfish na she. Oh, one.
Wagwan.
You know, say, are you no want to do?
We get a full. You know, it's a full boy.
No man, this a man the general role. This a man a walk and watch people business.
Oh, general, what go?
Yeah man. Anything you want to ask him.
General.
Why news? Why update?
Yeah, walk past sitting there. And you don't remember the name. But you know a black slim girl, man. Him brother
KK.
kind- Yeah. And him brother kind of thick.
Me know him brother man, him brother chopper.
I'm a skitter to him attack.
No man, no.
You know.
Take care of my friend man.
Oh.
I go them, me I look for, because they run out of pen down the yard now. And me I look for go them. How me I walk past me a bush? Me here. Why you 14-year-old?
What? Na bush.
In a bush, I'm take a little time come back out. And me walk like me.
Which 14-year-old? You see him buddy?
Me not see him yet, but me soon see him.
Who did that?
The youth man, the thick youth.
Thick youth?
Ah, say my bill house.
So
see two of them.
Bill the show.
Say my bill house,
Say
see
who?
two of them. Man,
And my daughter got this area do.
You mad? I couldn't for me.
And my daughter.
Any boy touch my daughter, slaughter.
14.
My daughter 14.
Any
and
boy
12-year-old.
touch my daughter, a slaughter. Daddy, you know say 14 years at a prison. I baby I just find one to teach him how to deal with underage up there.
Wait, you find so far. Yeah,
Me
find.
not say nothing, man.
No, where you know? Where you know?
Me no know nothing.
Father.
Me just tell you what me know.
Yo.
Me no know nothing more.
Me no run joke with me daughter, no father.
You
No,
know
man.
how hard me work to get them. And that's a me on their mama, you know. Cause them mama. Me no like, figure, oh God, you okay, but
Which thick boy I talk about?
Me know that
Which
man.
thick
You
boy
know
I talk
just
about?
say, me know that.
Which thick boy I talk about?
Him know, me no know.
No, me want know who.
No, one time I see him, so me don't really know who.
Me
him
need
know
to
who.
see him, cause my daughter 14 the day, I can tell you when boy grow my daughter 14 the boy, 14 out of this he getting the brother, I can double it too, you know. Brother, where the thick boy there? Where you talk about? Where you talk about, father? Daddy, I screen daddy.
No, listen, no,
Go on,
we can't
listen,
solve,
listen.
we can't solve this. All we have to do, cow pick the one doctor, then cherry pick,
Me no
and then
know
tell
one
you.
if I want to know that, you know.
Can my pick
If
the
I-
doctor?
Yeah, but me think me know she kind of fat. Like,
Like, the doctor and doctor tell me something, you know, brother. And something wrong what me no want to hear, you know. All doctor they pronounce, you know. Cause they say doctor
No,
they
you
lie
can't-
sometime, you know.
No,
Here.
man.
And sometimes we kill them got doctor and they never get touch it and doctor touch them.
You can't,
And tell lie upon them.
me no have,
no my
me
time
no
if
have-
me no run
I
doctor
then
joke,
touch
you know.
them too.
What you say?
What does it say?
What you
No,
say?
me no matter.
No, where you say? Where you say to?
The doctor them, like me I say true.
Oh, you see, I same thing me tell you about
No,
father.
not me here. Me here say the F word.
F word.
You say somebody time the father them.
No, me never say.
What?
Me,
Which
you
father
say
them?
that?
The father you just say a while ago.
Can't tell you about father and touch with that. You're mad.
Let me tell you something.
I mean, I know this boy. I must say,
Me
your
know
friend, you know.
you are a good father. Huh? I'm a good father. So my mother say that.
Oh, because me left woman a yard to take care of my
Them
daughter.
sit them man.
Yo, me tell you this. See, my daughter got a doctor. A woman doctor alone have to look for my daughter. You know?
For your daughter look.
He's slim. And one of them look like them malnourished because he look like he not heat.
Malnourished.
Yeah, as in, he not heat. He just like young people chips and I drink up people juice and I not drink no water. And I eat no good food.
So that means he's skinny.
Yeah.
He look like grass.
You film that once.
Who daughter? My daughter.
Oh, you pretty man daughter.
My daughter eat.
No, me not.
No, me gonna tell you about my daughter. My daughter eat 10 times a day and not 3 times a day. And my daughter round and nice. And if a boy ever play with my daughter, me say, a lightning strike. And I make a deal when rain and fall. I tell her father. Hey, here, me not joke with my daughter. Hey, here, me a feeling for nothing. Me a feeling for nothing, boy. Mad.
Body girl, like so.
Which?
But me not sure. Me not know if I'm a higher fool me or what.
Tell a friend to stop the capping, brother. Because I can't tell the capping joking at that car. Right now, it come like a run, you want me run go down the side and go start searching. Brother, no run no joke with my father. Don't do that. Don't touch me and run them a joke the father. Run my daughter. You're mad.
Because he mama.
What did they say? Where you get this up?
Him mama, why mama do him? You know what him daughter do that to no.
Yo.
Not him mama.
Over mama.
Him daughter mama.
Yo, tell a friend. Send a ramp with me daddy. Me no play with man. Me no play with man. The ramp with me daddy.
Me play with man.
Where they touch me daddy.
Me play with man.
Cool no father. Where they touch me with the propaganda for father.
That's why I'm not power with people, you know. I'm a goat. Them alone down on my yard.
I'm not talking to goat man.
No, listen. Master, just relax. This is what me I say. This
Master?
I'm Master Jack, we call him.
Master Jack.
I hold him man like I didn't walk around and call him. Yo.
You know, so from look for him, see almost like a one fish. Yeah, Jack, you know, fish named Jack.
Right now, anything we say,
who you call fish?
Somewhere else.
This is a fish and a Jack.
So what kind of Jack this? Jack and Jill?
Me come to talk to you and
no, you have to talk to me too. You talk about that.
I'm a brother and I know my niece. You talk about
man, me can't tell you, I don't know how she went on the daughter. If I fear daughter and film daughter,
film daughter 14, my daughter 14.
She thick and sexy like.
Oh, 14 plus. Your daughter thick. My daughter named Margaret.
Me don't know if I fear daughter.
I think that you see thick boy with.
My daughter thin, good thing.
Am I thick daughter? You tell me see you see thick boy with. Father, what color clothes you see me now?
Me think I want. Me not to remember. Me not to sure the color.
Better no remember. You better no remember. That may make you know, father.
You don't know what
you want to see no goat run part or so.
Like ask me that. Ask me about a goat. See a goat.
We are a goat keeper.
Ask me about a goat, man.
No, goat. Me look for run part or so. Me ram me get to.
That dead. That dead ourselves. You can't let go Rami in a time like this.
Me not let him go.
When pass from this road?
Me don't know who's part, but he supposed to pass.
Pass it.
Smell the place rank up so to bombard.
That means we must
say man a fear man up on TikTok was a genge. Watch out.
Uncle Thingy.
Oh,
Thingy uncle. With so much
but anyway, never you mention if it's no goat. We no goat keeper. But if one rabbit did pass still, we don't tell no lie. So yeah, my brother maybe clean and cooking, but we don't see. Huh? So we have to pay every time.
Free.
I don't have money.
Daddy, you think what man money that they am telling you my thing come down father.
Send the line on me name. We don't have money at all.
Give me it, man.
For your friend that thing daddy.
No, man.
Make up and buy drink.
No.
Come
no, listen, go on. You have to go too far now, brother. Because my little $10 we can buy me that and then two
things if you go on, man.
Two bubble gum.
Tell you know a woman.
If you know who you.
No, he don't know who you. Touch him. Touch him.
Are you telling yeah,
Touch
that's why
him.
I come and say this one pick argument with me.
Touch him.
Yes, one pick argument
Touch
with
him.
me.
How with me?
How?
How we have try prove?
Touch him now.
Eh?
Are you in know if he know you?
How we have try prove?
You see
Calm
if
down,
I
man.
name Bridging with yo, that's
Me not busy with Bridging.
No, go on,
Yeah?
because this is why I
Me not busy with Bridging.
Listen to me. What in that bag no lies to go on.
No more thing proving talent.
I'm busy boy in a bag.
Do the second.
Hey, that dead enough.
Play thing in there. This is a few friend of mine. Yo, how make you ring, sir? As so much go easy down there.
I want to tell you, man, ring like a bow hog to rotted. I want to tell you, see my attention. I go to the man the next food. He's funny,
What?
Yeah.
Lion!
Shut up, lion! Shut up, lion! Hello, young man. We are on the road. We are on the road. A man is there, you wait. Yo,
Nobody not lay awake. No man, you forget say just so we live and come and look fresh air. We come out to see the again me all play.
listen to me. My friend sitting up the road that talk to my brother, you know. And tell me, say, a man, I look at 14-year-old. He chop a you.
Nobody not look me. Come in on no chop a man with honest.
What kind of man is that? Look at me, good. But you didn't have to talk about man. You are 14. What me say?
You're all 14.
You are 14. What me say? Right. And what me say you have to talk about? Right. And where you have to study? And where you have to be in life? Sitting. I think you have to be in life. I something you have to be in life. Let me tell you something. Never tell yourself say you're going to be something in life. You can be thief, you can be gunman, you can be whore, you can be prostitute, you can be lesbian. Where you want to be in life, that we want to know. Where you want to be, where you want out of life. No, tell me something. Tell me something one more time. Where you want to be out of life? Where you
Certain.
Get up now. Can you see if this is something? I would have spelled something out of this here. Remember me tell you that. One night. Where look at sister there? Alright, come. Go on. Go on up. What me check? Okay. Oh, you and she. You know that and she, they're way out of room. What kind of style? I don't know. Yeah, you understand? Very cool. One day, but she is still at 14. She's not 16 or 18.
So you want to say I left yard? I mean,
like
yard. Alright,
No, I left that. That I left. I know lane. Not in the yard.
And then the kitchen, the middle, look more one for ramen for go on yam. You feel for share up with the other one.
Someone of them. When we ask you a question, a big man like me and make ramen for.
Ramen coming to America with the kids.
What about dinner? What about the word dinner?
When you buy the meat, I make come and cook the rice.
Anyway, you get your money.
Yes, to the pound phone. So me I tell you about?
Uniform.
So what I'm telling you about?
You feel like this and mash up. You
So
feel
me I
like
tell you about?
something like this and you feel like saying you know they couldn't study because you know TikTok and you know Snapchat.
Look there. No beard from morning.
Eh? This you take up on the time, this will make you know eat, not at all. When they find this phone and they watch TikTok all day, you know, never don't go eat. We buy whole heap of medicine you have to take and you know take it.
And now we have to food them make your father curse me.
You should tell them what you know, because
I'm your talk.
me you say you not cook, give them you know.
What?
Me here say you tell them say, I know my money. I'll feel more money about your food.
Why you looking at me? I didn't say nothing. I never knew.
No, you feel say we don't know what
What?
you feel say I don't know what's going on in here. Let me tell you something. This is the same way how we take you up. We can't let it.
So you bring up myself in front of picking them for. You can't look respect and see picking them there so.
Sophia. Look at me good Sophia.
You can't couldn't eat me no father talk. Yeah.
Sophia, I want them cut their head.
I'm gonna get up and go in now.
No, no one.
You can't tell them something around.
No, no one hear what's going on right now.
So yeah, don't cock on the ears. Don't listen. Don't cock off on the ears. So listen. Listen.
I fear you them. I fear you them.
But I'm Mr. Kitty.
Which one?
Where is the man that
Sophia.
you can't feel too hard.
Sleep. How them become a stupid so?
So if you the man that in there so with me to send them to school, no must start picking them.
Me don't fear you.
I still must start picking them.
I got to know they are called a stepmother.
No, this is Sophia.
I'm telling you, them don't have no manners.
No, let's say Miss Sophia. But the thing is,
But Sophia.
let me teach you something.
Me don't come confess yourself for me right here, so.
Yeah, tonight, it's so nice to it. You see, I said now, make sure it's when you go to school, don't linger on the road.
Come straight to home.
You see, you, me see, I follow two bad girl picking me. She tell me everything. When you want to build up big heads.
What build up big heads?
Oh, I drink Magnum.
What drink Magnum?
You see, I red, what you call it, sour beer, no drinking, alcohol, same way.
Nobody drink no.
I still don't have ice, I'm not ready for it in 18. You took on one.
Make sure you
No,
study.
come, give me this second.
Go and go study. Yeah, make some mama.
What?
Go and go study.
You see, any man call none of them 2 phone, yeah?
Go and go beard.
We don't know why I go.
And study too. Yeah, make some.
Finally, I tell them, say, go and be and go study there, exam. You go and go be a best email. One. Yes!
But me not think. But me not think.
Right.
Maybe I think funny thing now. I think a full time me stop scam. Put on the phone when me I talk to you.
Stop scam.
Yes.
Scam,
That's
stop.
one good thing. Hello. Hi. You not see me right here, so? You don't, you see,
your brother, not you.
this is the same thing. No, Tappy Nice. I same thing I talk to you about
That
what
is
you
so that
don't
you
have
go
no
come
manners.
here.
You couldn't even say Evelyn.
Let me do it.
No.
Me know what I do, you know. Remember,
Go
some
ahead.
tell us what I do, you know. So, a year and a half me I talk.
And
So you been a lie to me.
lie boy.
You mean lie about what? You know where me I talk about. So, I'm safe, you really not gonna tell me. You don't know what me I talk about.
No.
How come you tell me
Me
say you're
clueless right
18 years old? You
But
tell
me
me
are
say
18 for real.
you're 18.
Yeah.
The sister tell me say you're 14.
I really believe it, sister.
So yeah, I did it.
Me look both
eh,
and me
eh.
so get you.
Don't look like you want to farm no conversation right here, so.
We not
Go on
farm,
about
but
your business and once you
can't
see
go
my brother
there,
again,
that's a
lower. You hear that?
Can't
Low
go do
him.
it.
I
Can't
talk
go
to your
there
brother,
with
baby lovers, one gonna next one ban excuse. Not even the one, me the all over your money. Go ahead.
Oh yeah, man, a bigger money there, you know. That me I tell you.
You see what the money I want
Yo, sister, if you didn't know. There,
No, stop it right here. So what do you mean by babes? Come on, man. So yeah, your friend them really up to the Come on, young girl, go home. Me know her, the two of them will come right here, so a friend.
Well, you again, brother. Even.
Okay.
There. I feel father and feel. Oh, yo, you know, nobody know her, man. Eh? Don't bother know her. Know her, know her.
No, man, me know her father good. Me know her father so.
Father.
See?
Oh!
Me know her.
Oh!
No, Daddy, no.
Watch out. Look at so.
She not rock, man.
I want from you. Yeah,
I mean, I keep that.
Yeah,
No, man, she not do that. I just pass here, pass. And I'm gonna
What you come about? That's anything.
So, nobody tell me
Yeah,
this
tell her
one. Nobody tell me this one. I'm probably 14-year-old.
Me, no one know she.
Yeah.
Him tell her that.
Him tell me say see you with the 14-year-old.
Me?
Brother,
Yes.
you see me with 14-year-old, bro.
And this a boy.
Me?
This a boy
Yeah.
a who?
You want tell
This
you
a
that?
boy a who?
When would I come here
Aye.
and tell you that
I
about
chop
this
the
man?
line, man.
And this man is a scammer.
I'm too. Somebody will walk.
And this a boy they attack.
Yeah, and I
Me
can't
never.
find
What
no
me there
finger
tell you
here,
say?
so brother, what happened?
This man is a good youth. And he
You can't have
scamming and he
I used to
importing.
go cry someone. I used to promote, brother.
Me no tell the man them no.
You know, here. Can I
Where's
talk
your
in
while
the
ago?
fun, brother? Yo,
Me come to now me I say this a man a scam and him a buy people goat them or they buy
you're
3
fool,
goat
this
from
brother.
them.
You know, say you want.
Me come to you and
The
tell him
man
about
tell me,
14
sir,
year old.
Stop
if we
Stop
don't
tell
tell
lie
you,
for me.
Yeah, we not tell no lie for him. He say your brother and money for 14-year-old alone. And my daughter are 14. And feeding daughter are 14.
No, before you come and
Oh,
confront
God.
him, ask
Me
your
don't know what
daughter
they
how it go.
Ask
don't
daughter.
take me
Come,
them
young
tell
miss,
lie.
come here.
You.
Ask daughter. Come here.
How you go?
How you
Explain
go?
to your father what happened.
She
How
a
it
walk
got here?
fast. I walk.
Come
she a
on,
walk
Hush your
come
mouth.
and talk
Nobody
to
not
you.
talk to
Come
you.
talk, come talk.
Yeah.
Shut
Daddy,
up and talk back in the man.
a girl that did there with the boy and thing, you know?
Who the girl? Where girl name?
One girl from
Hey,
around there so.
my friend.
One tall girl.
And he did the boy. And the boy built a whole swim and thing. Some say, alright. Much your life and that thing.
Thing.
Yeah.
What happened?
And two me I'm there. But we never have sex. We never have
They
sex.
never they are so together. They
We
never
never
there.
sex.
Me not talk to you. The man not talk to you. You see
We
one
never
link
sex.
come to a friend that you have, daddy. So let me ask you a question.
What is it?
We never have sex.
No, we just want to know
We
this.
just did the
Oh,
talk.
we just a talk, man. We
Just
just
did the
a
talk.
talk, bro.
We never
Just
have sex.
took a while in
I
start.
think boy this.
Yeah, him same one.
I chop for this, you know, thick boy.
Where you see tick pan him?
No.
Where you see tick pan him?
No.
See tick here?
Yeah.
You see tick pan him?
Hello.
Yo,
Hello.
send me this alone a tick in
Yeah,
my
you
yard.
don't
Send me
need
this
to
link
get
come
saying
to
that,
your
bro.
father.
Cause you only thing
Oh,
you do,
yo.
you yap your mouth, you know.
Yo, I'm here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yap
boy,
your
because
mouth.
first thing you
Where's
tell me
the
to
boyfriend?
do,
Brother, that's how you go on, brother. Cause look where you call. Look where you make the go on, yes, brother.
This
No,
one a buy
no,
3
listen.
goat from me when they
we
tell
not
you that.
doing violence, you know. We just
Yeah.
are trying to make sure it's nobody
Get where
now.
I say, man.
Nobody now money.
I'm
Nobody
not
now.
big general.
Yo. Shush your mouth. Because
come in
she's
at this.
only 14, you know.
You hear?
She's only 14. She not past 14.
So you're 14 too.
Yes. I'm a dad. I'm a
That's
niece.
it.
I'm a daughter. I'm 14.
How would this a mannequin here? You just stand up and
No,
say,
I'm a good
Bro,
friend.
bro,
I'm a
I'm
good
just
friend.
say you talk, boy. Your mother can't talk.
You see how they are so
Boy,
old.
you
Oh, if you want this
Look
man,
like me mad to you, boy. Look
can't
like me mad
talk
to you.
my sister, so
What
you're
tell
mad.
us with me daughter, boy?
What?
How you do?
And she
Give
have
me
to
a
tell him,
little
beat
space.
her and tell him home.
Yeah, man.
Yo,
you got me
yo,
sister, brother,
look at
come
me,
and
look
get dark out here,
Look
man.
at me.
You get
Well,
dark.
Anytime when you talk about me, talk about your daughter, we take man before time.
And
Look
she
at
a
the
tell
bread.
lies.
Especially
Which
my
man?
Why she a
brother.
tell
Which
lies?
man? You for this? Which man?
I mean,
No, no
Ask
way.
her about it and she have the audacity to come here and lie about
Watch out.
it.
Watch out. Watch
Me a
out.
lie about it.
How you
that's
itch up on me so far? How you want me to do? Give when I left wing them.
Yeah.
Come around, son, man.
The right one.
What do you-
The right one. Go over there, stuff.
Watch out.
Yeah,
Talk to me, Wagwan. Which brother?
I'm in need.
You know this boy?
Daddy, me no
He
know.
say not touch him. He say not touch him. All the day
he
can
not
go a
touch
doctor and find out. He say,
yo, we just start talk.
Listen to me.
The boy, you know, say never.
No, listen.
Come,
Miss, me not
Watch
gonna
out.
see
we
her
can't
thing.
talk. We can't talk.
But
Listen,
me a
The boy, I
man
come
we
go
sorry.
and tough, you
We
know.
sorry if you judge it the wrong way. But you see when I see them pick me up. If you can't, if you want to let me eat after for them birthday.
You get where I say, brother, but the fact is, she lied to me. And say,
No,
"Then
that's
I
why
shall
we tell
Who
you.
lied to you? Who lied to you?
No, hold on.
She and her friend.
Hold on.
Why lie to you, say? No, more here. No,
They're
tell
not
me.
in older than that, brother. I'm not a young girl.
Why you didn't tell us that she be?
She tell me that she are 19, brother.
9 who?
She tell me she are 19.
Why you tell me
And
she are
look-
19?
Look how she look. She look like a nigga man. A chick, girl.
You something bad?
14.
Eh? So why you bad? Why you tell him say you're 19?
Yeah, man. Just
Stand up
get
and
go
talk to
on
me.
and
Yeah,
do
get
it.
him, man.
Stand up and talk to me.
I'm here, brother.
Boy, you lucky. Boy, top talk. Yeah? Top talk, boy. Why you tell him say you're 19?
Daddy, can't just my friend the same, say my 18.
Which friend? Your
Oh,
friend there?
I left me left
Friend. You left her too? Who, mosquito too?
No,
Yeah.
listen. When you talk about left, mistake, you will go to prison.
So hold on.
Because anything come out of your mouth and defile you. You left her, that means you're not there.
Daddy, talk to me.
Yeah,
Me,
cause
touch
she tell me she are
me.
18, brother. A year and a half.
So you come here before?
Listen. You see, when you look, girl, If they don't know bird paper and they don't know Heidi, load them alone.
True, man.
Load them alone.
Cause she said she
Yeah,
have to pay to get you back, so we just like time, man.
So you mosquito too did there?
Yeah, father have to talk to me straight, you know we are who name her.
Oh, one
Our
black
friend
one.
named so.
Our
Black
friend.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah, she me there talk.
Yeah. We're going like she cock up like a buckler. She me attack.
She cock up still.
She cock up still. What she cock up?
No,
What she cock up on you?
You know, you know,
You
you're
I
back
mean, me
prison.
not learn, but
See
I
you,
learn, father.
See you, youth.
This is
I'm the sister just attack to the boy.
So you not tell me them I sitting here.
Your father, you tell your father him something there.
A secret obvious. Why you not tell me them I something here? What's up? Something else I'm beat you with.
no, you know, drop down here. Don't drop down here. You're
Me
going to
call
the
police and them sit there and say I go on in. Me call police.
See that friend there. Because of him I broke out my daughter. Go up here and come back. Go up here and come back. I want to see that friend there.
Girl,
You see, I make sure you're not involved in this, you know.
me look at me and there with the young
Make sure you're not involved in this, you
No,
know.
man, them good.
Hey, your brother
Them
come.
good, them good, everything good.
Boy.
No, good, good. Yo, brother. Because today, when I see them, no look for them again.
with them back.
As of today, you need to tell your daughters them, you know, they're with big man.
Tell your brother to have sense. If you can look for and pick me, I know the age.
All your daughters to look for big man and allow them.
Who? When big man try to cheat them with money, I'm only try to cheat my daughter with boy.
If me didn't know that she young, me I deal with her.
No.
And me bigger than that, man.
We
See
say,
her there. Mosquito too. Come over here.
hey, you broke my daughter. Hey, you broke my daughter. No, you're fire.
I'm going to ask you a question.
You're fire.
You never know. No, we are solving something right now.
No, we need to solve it.
Because man touch you.
No, you're better. Hey.
Youth. Watch it now, youth.
You touch my daughter.
No,
My daughter losing virginity.
no.
So father, me not just tell us, me not touch nobody.
No, sometimes you can't believe, man. You have to ask
Man,
them,
tell
and
me
sometimes
that,
they tell
man.
lie too.
But I only lie, me tell up and banger. What you talk about?
Banger.
I
Banger.
mean,
You're chopper liar. You know nothing about chopping, boy.
Oh, you want
Eh?
me out.
I dem sitting here.
Yeah,
She wear.
I
So you want to put on a same color like this here?
Oh, stop touch
Eh?
me. Don't touch me. Don't do that. Don't touch me.
Yo, father, told the number me there, like, see me no cap.
Tell us which number.
I mean,
For your dial 500 the battery dead. You don't know
Where?
nothing about dial.
You know what?
me have more
One time about
than
1,000
one battery, but I feel like.
One. You. We don't know where you find here, yeah. Come down weak, you see me look at your foot.
Eh, see next time I see you around my daughter.
Say it again.
See next time I see you around my daughter. You
Then
don't
do.
know what's going to happen to you here.
Yeah,
You feel like a chat. You feel like a chattings.
Yeah.
You feel like a chattings. Eh? Who up there, sir? What you gonna do? What's up, man?
You don't know me, you know.
You know me. Listen, I'm gonna use this one child, but try yourself today. Try yourself today.
So anyway, talk to your brother. Good. We know you a long time.
You talk to him already, so you understand.
Talk to him again, cause he not learn. He
Talk
can't
to
see
him
things.
that way, right? That's
Learn.
how you can understand.
Learn and get
You
tricked.
see this what happened today, me learn from this, adapt me, I tell you.
You can learn from this, yeah.
I mean, more than learn from this,
So you
brother.
never see your sister they talk to you.
Yeah.
So how you never
He tell
learn?
me say, yo, we girl young, so me just say, yo, me have a left fire. Me just turn my left fire, brother, for you.
Brother, you have to wait till your sister tell her that you have to smart. You have to use your brain and stop using your yeah alone.
I know you money to get the girl. At the time next thing.
She said she at work, man.
You ask her about ID. So you think no chopper ask no girl if no ID, you can
So
trick
me
me,
don't know
boy.
him age.
You think you can trick me?
I
Eh?
knew that
Tell
right
me
here,
not
so I
chop
work
on
up
her.
yourself over him, you know.
Think
And
me
you
I
need
eat
to
that
talk to
chopper?
your daughter.
Oh.
You.
Talk to my daughter every day, you know. And if some boy feel like he can trick him with no money,
Exactly.
you know.
You're taught now
That's
work with your
right.
daughter.
Lock him out, boy. Lock him out. Where you going to talk
Cause
about?
any of my sister know they are so. We don't know how that happen.
You're dead. Dead. Who don't know how that happen?
You're sick, brother.
It's a lunatic, yeah.
Brother, you're sick, man.
Who sick?
You would even get feel for summer. Yeah, man.
Talk to him.
No.
Talk to him. Tell us if you talk big for people in the party.
No.
Must I chop me choppy line, you know?
Chop a line.
Maybe in
A skull me chop, daddy.
No.
Here.
No. We know.
Them saying chop line a skull me chop. Bust brain. And whoop me up skull. How this a youth?
No.
Hey, care home, my brother.
Try home.
Care home. Can you not learn? You not learn. You need to teach him most trade.
Alright, then.
Here?
That's alright, man.
Boy.
As much as me know what you do, so I shoot him like a foot.
Watch it, man, because brother, you know, learn father. And oi, that boy, you know, want to kill him. You even hear saying that on my daughter.
No, and my daughter.
He touch me daughter. Yeah?
And my daughter, me are going to, you know, because you see, tomorrow morning, a doctor me carry two of them, you know. Any one of them have to pick.
You wait for tomorrow. Tonight, me kill my daughter, go. That me make you know. Can't do that.
That's what you know.